Hello everyone, today I want to explain to you about protocol buffer. So what is protocol buffer? I think it's something like XML and JSON, but it's in binary. But actually it's not so binary. I will explain later why I said like that. So now I want to convert this JSON to PBF or protocol buffer. Why I want to do that? Because in protocol buffer you can minimize the size. So JSON file with size 5 megabyte, and let's see what the size if we convert it to the PBF. Okay, let's see the file in here. Oh yeah, here this is the JSON file. So as you can see here, all of this began with key city root, and the city root will have an array of another JSON, and in this JSON we have ID, name, dope, address, and in address there is a street, town, postcode, and after that we have telephone in here. Also we have an array string that is pet, score, email, URL, and this is the description, and then this is the verified, and the last is salary. This sample JSON is just dummy data that I get from the internet. So why I inspect this JSON file? Because this is important step to build a protocol buffer. So now we know the structure of this JSON file. So next step is we create a proto file. So this is our proto file. Here we have a syntax. Syntax in here means we will use a protocol, we will use protobuf version 3, and in here we have the message address. So if you learn Golang or C, you know that this is a struct, right? So here we have struct address, struct person, and here this is the root of all file. No, this is the root of all JSON city root. So here we have if we convert it to the Golang or C, we have 3 struct, but in PBF version 3 we have message. You know that the content of the city root is an array, right? So to represent the array in the proto file, we have a repeated. So this is the repeated of person, and person is here. We have ID, name, dope, address, and as you can see here, the content is ID, name, dope, address, same, right? And as you know, address is another JSON, so we must declare it like this. We have street, town, and postcode. No, this is in here. It's not postcode, but postcode. Here, postcode. Let's delete C, and let's save this. To the city. Okay, now we have this city.proto. Now let's convert this. No, the next step is convert this city.proto to the class of Python. So here, this is, oh yeah, first you must install this protocol first, this tool first. So to install that, yeah, to install that we must run this command. So we apt install protobuf compiler. And as you can see here, I already installed that tool, so yeah, it's complete. Now after that, we run the command. Oh, first I want to explain this. So minus capital I in here to include all of the file that we need, and here I am using all the path in this directory, and in here double dash python underscore out is the directory that we want to output for this command, and in here this is the proto file that we want to compile. Let's run this, and after that we will get here ct underscore pb2. Let's open this, and as you can see here, this is just some class of Python, and we will use this class to the main script, and the main script is here convert. So here I import json, and in here this is the module for the protobuf, and in here this is the class that we compile. Let's run this. Oh yeah, and this is the function to convert JSON to PBF, and this is read JSON on this, and this is to write PBF. Okay, let's just run this Python. Okay, finish, and we will have here sample.pbf. And if you open this, actually the sample.pbf is a binary code, but looks like it's not so binary. As you can see here, you can still read some UTF or ASCII character in here. See, it's similar in like this, right? Wait. Right, it's similar, but looks like some character like in here city root, you will not find it in here because it's already encoded, so the size in this PBF file will be smaller. Let's see the size, and as you can see here, from 5 megabyte we success to minimize the size to 3.4 megabyte. I think it's not too drastic, but yeah, overall it's success. And now maybe you ask how to read this PBF file in Python. Okay, I already prepared the script here, and in here as you can see here, we just need to import this ct underscore pb2. This is the class of proto file that we compile, right? And as you can see here, this is the function to read a pbf file. Here this is the file path, because the pbf file that we outputted is sample.pbf in here, and then here this is the process, and then in here we pass that to the string, and then in here we print the content. Okay, let's run that, and as you can see here, it's the same with the JSON, but actually if you're using JSON, I think the script will be more simpler. We don't need to create a class like this. And actually, if you want to access a single variable in the JSON like this, you can level it using point like this. It's same as the class or dictionary. Let's clear this here, right? Let's see if we can use a dictionary format. Oh, I think we cannot. So we can only using it like this. So we treat it like a class. And yeah, I think just that. This is very simple, but it's always useful to minimize a file that we need to process, so the running process will be faster and smoother. So I think that's all. Thank you.